Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review the ROADIE Driver app. The ROADIE Driver app is a platform where people can earn money by delivering packages locally or over long distances. One of the biggest pros is the flexibility. You can choose which gigs you want to accept and work on your schedule. Many drivers like that you get paid per delivery and see the payout upfront before accepting a job. Another advantage is that you don't always need a large vehicle. Even small cars can qualify for many deliveries. However, some drivers mention that payouts can be low for long trips when you factor in gas and time. There's also no guaranteed number of gigs available in all areas, so income can be unpredictable. Some users say customer support could be better when issues arise. Overall, it's a good option for side income if you live in a busy delivery area, but it may not be reliable for steady earnings everywhere. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.